So guys, are you facing the internal storage problem? Then just follow this step. So you can make SD card as an internal storage. So for that, just go to setting option, and here you can see developer option. So if you are not seeing developer option, just simply click on about section and software information. There you can see build number. You need to click 6 times on build number. Yeah, but I already did it, so no need to do. So after that, you can see developer option. So just click on developer option. So if you scroll down, there you can see force allow app on external. So we need to enable it. Just after that, come back and click on app section. And now, so we need to do one thing. So we need to transfer this app or downloaded app on external. So for that, just click on app which you want to export on memory card. So just click that and click on storage section. So after that, just click on change. So here you can choose the SD card and internal. So just simply click on SD card section. Now you can move that app on SD card. Just follow the every step, and then you can transfer all app on SD card. So like this way, you can make some space on internal storage.